Today we continue our chapter, our environment. We are talking about what is the natural environment. The last lecture, so we know what is the atmosphere and what is the mashup and what is divided into various. We have to precipitation for the some gases. Okay. Then we talking about hydroshaper. Hydroshaper refer to all the water bodies on the earth's surface like ocean, sea, river, lake, etc. About 71% of the earth's surface is water covered. Everybody know our earth surface most probably the water covered. Okay. Out of this 97% is found in the ocean, sea, etc. which is saline, and the rest 3% is found in river, streams, lakes and ice caps or glaciers. Water is in a continuous movement on the earth. It is now as water cycle or hydrologic cycle. From the hydroshaper, water gets evaporated into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. There is condensation and then in the forms of raindrops it fall on the lithoshaper. So in the way water keep on moving from one shaper to another. Okay. Hydroshaper is very important for all sort of life. It forms a large habitat to the aquatic life. It is also a good source of food in the form of fish, shrimps, crabs, etc. International trade is carried on in rivers and oceans. Okay, this is the hydroshaper. Then we are talking about the lithoshaper. The word litho has been derived from the Greek language meaning stone. To lithoham is river for the language of Greek word. Okay, it is meaning of stone. The thin and solid upper covering of the earth is now as the lithoshaper. Is it the top layer of the earth? Crust is the thinnest layer of the lithoshaper. सबसे पतली झिल्ली जिसे हम कह सकते हैं उसको तोड़कर. Between the crust and the core lies the mantle. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. Everybody see, this is the lithoshaper. Is it crust, mantle, outer core, inner core? The crust 0-100 km thick. Okay, everybody see this? Is it clear? Not to scale, core, solid, liquid, and the lithoshaper, crust and uppermost solid maintained. Okay, so please see this. Here some text yourself. If you have read it, then you answer very easily. First is the protect us the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Answer me. Secondly, dash is initial to maintain the fertility of soils. The third one is contain the ozone layer. Contain the ozone layer. Fourth, about dash of the earth surface is covered with the water. तो अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले ही हमने इस चीज़ को पढ़ा है. First, about 71% of the earth covered with the water. Okay. Then the ozone layer contains the, is it clear? Is it the mesosphere for the contain electricity? Okay. Then essential the fertility soil nitrogen. Is it answer is nitrogen is essential to maintain the fertility of soil. Okay. And the first one is dash protect us from harmful layers. Okay. So ultraviolet rays of the sun. The answer will be the gases and the methane included for the surface starfish. Okay. Here are some layers if we see the containing. Okay. Get it? Then we interact for the some other energy and matter for the individually natural environment. This is the energy of primary from the sun. Okay, is it clear everybody? Then we continue our chapter. This is hydroscepher. Okay, hydroscepher, earth, etc. etc. Then lithosphere is very important for all sorts of life in the sense that it provides food to all living beings. All kinds of minerals and metals are embedded in the rock strata. It has soil which is used for the cultivations of crops. Okay, biosphere, it is a narrow contained zone of air, water and land where living organisms exist. The biosphere makes the earth a unique planet. It is made up of distinctive zone called biomes or ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem, biomes or ecosystem which consist with the climate zone of the world. Can you give reason this? Can you give reason for this? Ecosystem found on land are called terrestrial ecosystem, while those found in water are called aquatic ecosystem. Marine ecosystem exist only in ocean and seas. Plants and animals existing together in a distinct physical environment for an ecosystem in which energy and matter is consistently recycled. Ecosystems are subject to change due to the several factors. This change affect the plant and animal life existing in the environment. Okay. Then, do you know A.E.H. Love of mathematics first described the concept of the Earth's structure consisting of an outer layer in 1911. Okay. Then, ecological balance is a stable environment in which a large number of different forms of life is affecting other existence. Okay, here's some text yourself. You have to do. This is your homework, so please done it. Okay, that's all today. Then we continue our chapter in next class. Okay, that time stay safe and please follow the guideline.